Introducing Britesweep, the brighter way to clean. When it comes to cleaning, you only want to do it once. We all hate missed spots, and often they hide in plain sight. It's not that we're not bright enough to catch these spots. Sometimes the areas we clean just aren't bright enough, causing us to leave behind irritating allergens, dirt, and debris. When it comes to dirt, out of sight, out of mind doesn't apply. It should be out of our homes and businesses instead of sticking to our floors, getting dirtier, dingier, and moldier. This is a huge problem at home, and it's an even bigger problem within the cleaning industry. Especially when cleaners are cleaning at night or just before sunrise, sometimes food pieces and debris hide in plain sight because of improper lighting. This filth is left behind for customers to see as the sun rises or the lighting in the room changes. Well, now there's a brighter way to clean. Britesweep. Britesweep's illumination makes it easy to see when cleaning in low-light situations and shaded areas of your home by revealing hidden dirt so you can clean with confidence and not miss a spot. Broken glass? Not a problem. Britesweep's illumination reflects off glass, making even tiny pieces of glass easier to see when cleaning. The Britesweep broom is built with LED lighting, powered by 2 AA batteries. It has 2 power switches, one on top of the handle and the other on the detachable base of the broom. It also comes with a blade set between the bristles to make sweeping wet debris easier. Almost every surface in your home or place of business could use a brighter clean. Britesweep wants to provide multiple solutions to meet all of your cleaning needs, such as illuminated dusters, dustpans, scrapers, push brooms, and more. Please, support our cause to help you, your families, and your company clean brighter and live brighter. Pre-order your Britesweep today. Thank you in advance for your support.
In a world where there are billions of pots and pans comes one lid. One lid to fit them all.
Aw, man!
Honey!
Mom!
Did you get Parmesan? Did we get limes?
Toilet paper.
Lettuce.
Bananas.
I got this.
baggies.
Humans are great at saving things. We save money, save seats, save The Last Dance, and we almost saved a lot of time when we invented robots. But then Facebook happened. Still, overall, pretty great at saving things. You know what we're not great at saving? Leftovers. But to be fair, we don't have great options. Option 1, the baggie. Our way of telling nature, hey, screw you. The average family can go through 2,000 of these a year. And the average fish is dead because you killed him with 2,000 plastic baggies. If you've ever defused a bomb or used one of these to store something liquid, you know what true fear is. No.
Dad, it's dripping everywhere.
Go get the dog. Option 2, plastic containers. And with them, lids. Lids that somehow multiply like teenage plastic rabbits. But you know what doesn't multiply? The one that fits the stupid container. Point is, it's hard to be good at saving things when your choices are disposable plastic garbage or impossible matching games. But now, saving is about to get simple. Introducing zip-top containers.
The world's first reusable 100% platinum silicone containers that stand up, stay open, and zip shut.
Are they perfect? No. But yes, they are perfect. With 5 patents pending, the zip-top was designed with the environment in mind. One zip-top can replace over 5,000 plastic baggies, which could save who knows how many fish. It also might save some sharks too, but for a container that doesn't need a lid, it is worth the risk. And unlike baggies, the zip-top containers are tough. Heat, cold, cars. Even kids can't destroy it. And they will try.
This is mine. Give it to me.
They will always try. But you'll rest easy knowing that the zip-top can take whatever you throw at it, or in it. Need to store scalding hot soup? This laughs in the face of soup. This makes soup feel bad about itself. Look at it stand upright. Your liquids are secure now. Save your worrying for the sharks. Plus, it's easy to get excess air out of zip-top containers, which will keep your food fresher longer. Zip-top is freezer safe, microwave safe, and even oven safe. If it were any safer, we'd be calling it Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher. The zip-tops are fine. Easy. And because it's 100% platinum silicone, it won't leach harmful chemicals like plastics can. But maybe you're saying, hey, I like leached chemicals in my food. This product is not for you. Also, please see a doctor. And if storing your food perfectly wasn't enough, zip-tops are great for taking meals or snacks on the go. With 8 different shapes and sizes, zip-top containers can be used anywhere, even your car's cup holder. They're great for more than just holding food, too. Get weird with it. We won't judge. We love you. Need proof? Exhibit A.
Thanks, honey.
That's my sandwich. It's time to leave the outdated options behind. Save the planet and save yourself with zip-top containers. Get yours today.